What's up? It's Chef Bae, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a colorful cauliflower kung pao. So simply, it's so delicious. It's better than takeout, and it's using Big Tree Farms coconut aminos and coconut sugar. It's so good. This is gonna be your new weeknight favorite, I promise. Today we're gonna use some purple cauliflower for this cauliflower kung pao. It's perfect for summer and just keeps it nice and interesting. And then my kind of like key ingredients here are gonna be sesame oil, of course Big Tree Farms coconut aminos. We need a little spiciness, and the liquid aminos will add just a little bit of salt. So let's do it. First, you're gonna wanna add your water, some tapioca starch. You could use cornstarch or arrowroot powder as well. Some panko breadcrumbs. You're gonna pop it in a nice and hot oven at 425 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Alright y'all, there you have it, cauliflower kung pao. So delicious, perfect for summertime, perfectly paired with some steamed rice or some rice noodles, whatever is your favorite. I love it all by itself in a big bowl with some chopsticks. Alright you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye! It's so hot. Oh my god. Wow, that is amazing every time.